All right, guys. So I was a little too cautious on GBPAUD, and we kind of missed a pretty big move. Um, I guess I might want to get into this at the end of the day yesterday, um, and played off of the looks like R1 pivot point along with the trend line, and I could have just took that down. There's some consolidation there. It wasn't really anything much of a pullback entry, and it kind of goes against any of the entries that I actually strategy-wise look for. But the setup was there, price action was there, um, the confluence was there. We got one, two, three, four charts all telling us the same thing. Um, yeah, there's no real excuse here other than I didn't pull the trigger. I think a lot of the reason why I didn't pull the trigger is because this is what I was working with as far as entry goes. Um, and whenever you got a whole bunch of consolidation like that, it's not necessarily chop, but choosing an entry would have been difficult for me, especially if I wanted to do like a live entry situation, which I despise. I usually try to stay away from that. I want to set traps and walk away. Um, Might have been able to do that off of this R1 level along with the trend line, so I could have said, hey, that's good enough for me to get in here. But I did see it as risky, and kind of talked myself into the fact that it's a little bit risky. Um, our price target for this would be pretty much based on the weekly, so I would have been trying to get out right at this weekly trend line that we see here. We've got one, two, three, four touches there, almost four. The initiating touches and didn't quite get there, but still we could have got out, uh, and we could have said, hey, that's going to be our profit target for getting out. But then whenever I look at the intraday charts, we actually see kind of a pullback situation going on here. So for now, instead of kicking myself about it, you guys see it, I see it, it's admitted, we all understand. Now I'm going to look for a pullback to the pivot level, and that's going to be my new entry. So it's going to be a safer entry, and that's what we're going to look for. All right, peace.